This is episode three of our math teaching tutorial. But for the first to understand what even the first way is, you first need to watch episode 1. Today we're going to be learning multiplication. Yay! So here's multiplication. It's basically how many times the number is added up to itself. Like, what is this? It's simply 4 added up to itself twice. Or it's how many 4s, it's how many if the same number in the question. So this equals 4 times 2. And to do that, where's 0? I need 0 again. Okay, there we go. So now, okay, I'm just gonna change the color of every line so that you can see. Okay, so 1, 2. So now you end up at 2 bounces. So now you end up with 8, which means that equals 8. Now, what else can we learn? Like, say, oops, I'm gonna write a square, and I'm gonna write the questions on it. It's gonna be a large one. Hey! Yeah, select my square. Select my rectangle. Or I'm gonna just make a new one. Okay. Delete that. How is this gonna be even possible? Hey. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, okay. And it's also selecting the entire number line. Now the numbers are way off and 25 is killed. Look, 18, all the numbers. There's 2 2s here and 2 5s. Okay. Oops. What did I do? I feel bad for 25. Oh no, I feel bad for 24. And there's 3 2s now. 4. How can I undo that? Okay, 24 is back. Oops, 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 oops. Shh. Again, we make 42 with the digits of 2 or 4. 24. Oh, how do I select this properly? Okay. And it's still like seeing select. Yes, I want to edit it. I want it to be right here, and it will have blue fill color. It's gonna be a sentence border with 1 point, and the fill color is blue. Now we want to ask some questions in this box, like 2 times. But this, oops, I can't write anything on it. I just have to write anything anyway. Then I can move it on. times 8 equals, now, so that you can know, I'm going to make every line a different color so that you know which is for what question. 2 times 8, let's find that out. Once I get to the normal orange color, and for that, I'm going to have to set this to 128. So you start at 0 once again. When you come to multiplying with a number line, always start at 0. Sort of 2 days inside, but below set, and below and ahead of it. Yes. And find the points. This is okay. So 0, 7, 14. Oops, mine wrong. 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 16. So I'm gonna write 16 down here and move the entire number onto here. What's about 3 times 9? Okay. Again, I'm gonna have to do that kind of trick. 3 times 9 equals, what does that even equal? Well, I know the answer, but you guys still don't know if you have clicked on this video. Well, to understand, let's also start at 0. When coming to this first way of multiplying numbers, always start at 0. And this is the last question to the next way. To the way 2. This is the last question to way 2. So, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So we end up with 27. So 3 times 9 is 27. Have to write 27 here. Hold on, wait. And there we go. What's now? Here's the next way of doing this. Just gonna empty this entire page. And guess what is gonna come up next? Guess what is gonna come? I'm just gonna erase everything. You know, guys, you might also say that there's a part way down. But let's ignore that part for now. Oops. Now, I'm gonna also delete this box. Boom. No box. Let's border with border color. Boop. Now it's untouchable. Oops, it's still there. I need to delete it for this and so it's not become there. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Oh, you can guess what I'm gonna write now? And this is Okay, you need to cut every square to 4 smaller pieces. Done. Okay. Done. 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 Now we end up for is half. We end up for half. Draw, 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 draw. And I'm gonna expand it a little bit if you like. And this is something is known as a number in a multiplication tile. This is something is known as a multiplication table. Now let's start here. So now I will make the multiplication table for this video, but you can make your own multiplication table if you now know how to create it. Wait, I just realized I have to cut this down again into to also contain 11. How does it only go to 7? Oops, because I forgot to cut it. Undo the making of the numbers, or I can just erase the numbers. Oh, that's far too big for an eraser. Maybe I need to. Oh no, wrong spot. Smaller. But any smaller than this, and it won't be able to really. Now, same for 7, but I have to be careful that 7 almost touches the borders. And now 6, 7, 8. How is this even possible? 6, 7, 8, 9. No, oops. This multiplication table has failed. What do? I have to make it. What? Way too. No, I'm gonna make it this way. You need to be a perfect square, and it's gonna almost cover the entire board. And it will only have an a border, and the border is gonna be nice and white, and the fill color, no. But now I need to paint something in it, like say another square. Except this time it will be a line. Oops. Okay, you need to delete this entire note. And you can do one. Math teaching. Math teaching. Now I'm gonna delete this one. Delete. Now I need to make a new number. A new number. A new number table. Multiplication table. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and also one more 10. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then this should be, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this for this, that. The finishing touches, just some more numbers. Adding the numbers, adding 53, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110. I need to move it here. 121. So now 110, 99, 80, 88, 77, 66, 55, 53, 22, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. It's 12, 16, 20, 10, 15, 25, 33, 35, 4, 40, 4, 45, 5, 50. And needs to be 60. I forgot. Actually, we put in 63. X for the board. 1, 2, 3, 40, 50, 30, 80, 90, 100. And our multiplication trial is finally done. If you want to do a question 6 times 4, draw a line that stretches through the entire board, and head 4, draw a horizontal line that also stretches that stretches all across the entire multiplication table. Now 6 like this or this, and find the number that's behind the points where the two lines cross, and that's the answer of the question you ask. Say I wanted to see what's 11 times 9. What is 11 times 9? Well, let's find out. So we can just find out. Okay. Now, at 11, draw a vertical line stretching through the entire board. Hey boy. And also at 9, draw a horizontal line stretching through the entire board. What's at the first number? Write a vertical. To do this, write at the first number that's before the multiplication sign a vertical line that stretches through the entire board, and then at the second number that's deeper than the first one. Or otherwise, the two lines won't ever collide. that's deeper than the one that's deeper than the first one. Ahead of it, it's draw a horizontal line stretching through the center of the board and find the points where the two lines collide. Like where they collide is 99. So the answer to 11 times 9 is 99. So great episode. This is the end of episode 3. Bye.